Welcome back to the Santa Cruz coastline attempt to do a painting. So I tried to practice one. I thought this one would be a good practice one. It was kind of like a, I don't know, mediocre sheet of hot press, I think. I'm not sure that I found. I didn't want to go with the Arches watercolor block because, too much pressure. So I thought okay, I'll just do a practice one here. So then here's the scene, and anyway, there's this little ladder thing. It's like a monorail, sort of. It goes down to the water. The recipient of the gift used to live around here, but I never seen the thing, so I was really grappling with the photo reference. I put it to edit, make it lighter, to try to see what those details were in there. Anyway, so blopping along, so that's the detail of the monorail thing. So anyway, and then there's a bunch of houses up there, so I sort of ignored them at first, and then thought I'd hint at them. Then there's these white areas on the rocks. It's like a rock cliff there, and so I thought I'd better at least represent that kind of texture. And anyway, so working really hard on this one, and not really coming out too great, but it has I guess some elements to it that say hello, I'm a cute painting, something like that. I'm not sure. Then anyway, it's after I overworked it to death, then I decided that must be good enough and for practice. So I may ought to try another one, a real serious one now.